That was a nice lunch. I certainly enjoyed the foods here. And now we are on our way to Kukup village. One last look at Kopi Tenggek. And here we go. Still riding along Tanjong Piai. It will take us about 30 minutes before we reach Kukup village. Just enjoying the ride here. Along nice, peaceful... Oh my, that was rather dangerous. Anyway, as I was saying, just enjoying the ride along nice, peaceful looking kampong houses here. Some little shops scattered here and there. You know, sometimes it makes you wonder how the lives of people living here are like. It looks like a very slow pace of life, which I really like. It's a very simple way of life that many people don't realize that's all they need. The GPS says that we are near Kukup village. Should be any time now. We'll be arriving at the entrance to Kukup village. The GPS says that right at the end of this road is Kukup ferry terminal. So this is Kukup village. You can see a lot of shops on the left and on the right. Some restaurants also. It'll be a good place to take a walk through the day, have lunch, buy some local produce. I heard that they are very famous for their salted fish. It's a fishing village anyway. Now let's look for the entrance to the Kukup village, what they call the Kukup Laut. I think it's a tiny entrance on the right. Okay, so here it is. Wow, it's quite a tight squeeze. I hope the rest of the road is not this narrow. I think I better stop here and walk up ahead and check, just to see if my bike can fit through, just in case the roads are too narrow. If that bike can fit through, I think my bike can also fit through, yeah? Okay, here we go. The GPS does not show these roads on the map, so I gotta go by a little bit of trial and error. So I hope I won't get lost and end up in the sea. I'm starting to feel a bit lost now. As expected, I'm easily lost. I think I better go ask for some directions. I see a lady there. She might know the way. Okay, not much luck there. She does not seem to be entirely sure of the way either. So I will have to make a U-turn. It's a dead end up ahead anyway. I guess this is the only way to make a U-turn. 3-point turn. Looks like it's gonna be many 3-point turns. Oh wow, it's proving to be harder than I thought. So tricky. Alright, okay. Let's continue to find the resort in this maze of roads. Oh, hello. Cute little kampong kids. Well, I must say that in the middle of this situation, this is actually a nice place to be at. finally I found the resort, found a nice place to park. So this is the first glimpse of the area around the resort. And this place is located right at the end of the long maze of roads earlier on you saw. And that's the entrance. Let's take a look at the view from this side. It's low tide now, so you can see a lot of sandy areas on the ocean floor. And this whole resort is connected by little bridges that connects one section to another. Later on I will show you. And here is my room. Very big room, very big beds. Oh, we can even have a karaoke session tonight. Nice aircon. Let's take a look at the toilet. So open this door. I think they have a little built-in wardrobe here. This is the toilet door. Ah, okay. Very nice, basic, clean toilet. They don't provide towels though. Remember to bring your own towels. Let's walk outside. So from the bedroom, you see this beautiful ocean view. Oh, the smell of the salty air really puts me in a holiday mood. And there are those little bridges connecting all the sections of this resort. Let's take a look at the view behind. I see a lot of cute little mud skippers on the ocean floor. It's dinner time now and we are walking outside to look for some food. By the way, there is no restaurant in the resort, so you gotta walk outside for your meals. Only breakfast is provided. I found this nice big restaurant. Let's give it a shot. So for dinner, I'm having this fried bee hoon. I also ordered some veggie, fried bitter gourd with salted eggs. And I also ordered this fancy looking fried youtiao with chicken floss and mayonnaise on top. All these foods for only about 10 Singapore dollars. Very good value for money.